Okay guys, guess what arrived? My new iPhone 11 Pro Max in the midnight green. And we're going to unbox it here. I was so excited to get this. So here's the packaging. I like the green. I'll hide that there. But I got the 64 model. So let's open it up. You always gotta love Apple's packaging. Their boxes always fit so well together. I have to say this green is really cool. It actually kind of changes different shades in the light. I don't know if it's really picking this up in the camera, but it is pretty cool. And this year, they only put plastic on the front, not on the back this year. Which I like that because it kind of cuts down on the plastic waste. So there's that, and there's the front. There's your classic Apple information, Apple stickers. I was really kind of hoping they would make the Apple stickers the green like the phone, but they didn't. This year, what's new is you get the fast charger, 18 watt, USB-C to Lightning, which is a really nice addition. It's about time. Still get your wired Apple phones. And here's the new USB-C to Lightning. So it's nice to have that. As I promised in my other video about the cases, I have the Spigen case. And I have the Spigen Easy Fit tempered glass, which we'll do that real quick. It's very easy. I love these tempered glass kits. And since this is a brand new phone, this actually should be really easy because we're going to try to do this really quick, and I shouldn't have any dust to have to fill with. So we'll do this. Now on these kits, the number one you remove first, and then you flip it over, and then you just push in the center, wait 30 seconds, and pull this tab off, and you have a screen protector. So let's do the famous Apple peel. And then we'll peel this off. I always try to keep it down so dust doesn't fall on it. And all you do is just set this on it. And then you press here. And it says just wait 30 seconds. And this is the first time I've ever used one of these kits, but I've read a lot about them and heard they're really cool. Make sure it's got good firm around the phone, which it kind of picks the phone up with it. And just press there. It says wait 30 seconds. And then you'll peel up this sticker. Now don't panic because it left some residue, because this is still just a screen protector on that, so it's okay. And then you just push the phone out, and there you go. And then now you see here there's another screen protector on this, and all you do is peel this out, and you have a perfect screen protector all put in place. Looks great. And then we'll open the case. Like I said, I really highly recommend Spigen cases, especially if you really like the clear. I mean, they have other cases too, not just clear, but I like the clear. It definitely fits it tight. And there you go. I like it a lot. So let's power it up. Alright guys, well I'm going to get this set up and then we'll be right back, okay? Okay guys, so welcome back. So I've had the phone for about a day and a half, 2 days. I have loved it. It's been a great upgrade. The cameras are amazing. The screen of course is always great. The Face ID is much faster, like they claimed. Battery life is really good. But the big thing is, if you're into video and photography, and that's like your big thing you like to do, then yes, I do believe it's worth the upgrade to this phone for this year. If it's not your big focal point, then I say stick with your other phone until 2020, because everything we've been reading and hearing, the iPhone in 2020 was be a massive change to what these are. But if you're into videography and photography, then yes, this phone is highly worth. The cameras in this phone is really worth it, and they're amazing. I'm going to put a photo up here right now that shows I took today. It's low light. It was cloudy this morning. It was early this morning. It's of a bar in my town, and they do this big mural on their outside wall. You can actually look at and see the brick outline and everything. Like the HDR in this thing is amazing. So it blew me away to how good. I mean, that was untouched photo. I did nothing special to it. But everything else, the screen, responsiveness is still great. As Apple's had great screens as always. Also too, this is my speaking case, which you saw me put on the phone earlier in the video. I love speaking cases. I highly recommend them. I also got the speaking screen protector. I don't know if you can see this, but it matches up on the phone really well. It was super easy to put on, as you've seen. So I like speaking brands, so that's who I like, and I'll put that in the, links in the description where to buy them. So if you guys like this video, please like it and share it and subscribe to the channel and leave your comments in here. Tell me if you got the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or whichever new iPhone you got. See you guys in the next video. Bye.